Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To get our door panel off, there's two push clips here. These aren't the original ones. This is an older vehicle, so some of the clips are a little different. But if you had the originals, they're probably the push-in style. You'd push in on the middle, it would unlock it, and then you'd pry them out. This style has the center ones that just pop out, and then you can just pull the push clip out. Do the same for both of them. I'm going to remove this black trim piece on the A-pillar. Probably just use your plastic prying tool. You can get this from 1aauto.com. Kind of work it under here. Just pry it off. There's clips behind. These three clips. You need to remove these two little trim covers to get to screws behind them. I'm going to use a small pick tool. You can buy this set from 1aauto.com and just carefully get behind here and pop it out. There's two Phillips head screws. So use our Phillips head screwdriver. Remove this one. And do the same for the other one. If you pull the door handle, there's a screw hidden behind here, a Phillips head screw. We'll remove that. Pop this trim cover out. Slide it over the door handle. We'll use our door trim prying tool. You can get this from 1A Auto. I'm going to try to find the clips. Usually you start at the bottom, and sometimes you can find a little spot where you can get your fingers under there and just kind of work it up. And then you squeeze this. Should help pop it apart. Ooh. Work your way along the door. Then we'll lift the door up and off of the door panel. And take it off. I'm going to unplug it from the master window switch. Push in the lock on this side. Lock can be hard to push in. And then unplug the light. Turn the door panel this way. Push the lock in. And we have the door panel. To get to the mirror nuts, we're going to pull the door tweeter out. This truck has one, some don't. It needs a 10mm deep socket, ratchet, and extension. And this bolt here is for the tweeter. Undo it. Now I'll get one of the nuts off the studs for the mirror because it's also holding the bracket for the tweeter. Pull that out. A little white plug here. Push that in, unlock the tweeter. Put it aside. Remove these two nuts. Pull the mirror off the door. Now this particular truck does have vent visors. I'm just going to carefully slide it underneath the vent visor. And then the plug is right here. Unclip the plug. You actually have to pry it up. So you pry it up like that. Reinstall the mirror, we'll plug it back in. Can only go into the connector one way. Click when it locks into place. And And this one I'm going to have to feed it underneath the vent visor, but a truck without it, it should just slide right into the openings. I have to kind of maneuver it this way. Might have to go this way first. Just like that. Put this little plate back in. I'll catch this bottom nut, and I'll catch this other bottom nut. Plug the tweeter back in. Can only go in one way. Click when it locks in place. I'll put it back up in place. Get this nut captured. Put this bolt back in that was holding it. And I'll use the 10mm socket extension and ratchet to tighten them up. Be careful, don't over tighten them. You don't want to pull the studs out of the plastic mirror. So you feel them get tight, just stop. Put the door panel back on. I'm going to turn it so I can plug the courtesy light back in. Kind of get it in here, and then it slides in. Click when it locks into place. Turn the door panel. Plug the master window switch in. I'll hang the door panel in place, get the lock actuator caught, and it's going to hang on the steel of the door. Push it down. And we'll push it into place. Clip it in. Push clips will clip into place. Reinstall this trim, so I'll pull the door handle out, maneuver it through the trim, put it in place, and put the little screw in place. Install these large self-tapping screws back into the door handle pull. Put these caps back on. They kind of have a certain direction they'll go, and they'll fit smooth. Same for both. Put the A-pillar trim back on, it'll just clip into place. Put our little push clips back in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.